In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Something Went Wrong error 1076 on Google Gemini. So let's get straight into the steps. First, refresh Gemini and start a new chat. If the error only appears in one specific conversation, that conversation may be experiencing a temporary problem. Click New Chat and try sending your prompt again. You can also refresh Gemini's page by pressing Ctrl-R on Windows or using your browser's refresh button. Next, try switching Gemini models. Depending on your account, you may have access to different Gemini models. Open the Model Selection menu and choose another available model. Then start a new conversation and check whether the error is still appearing. Now, clear your browser's cached data. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Choose Delete Browsing Data. Select a suitable time range and make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. You can then click Delete Data. After clearing the cache, reopen Gemini and try again. Another quick fix is to sign out and sign back in. Log out of your Google account, close the Gemini page, and then open it again. Sign back into the correct Google account and test Gemini with a new chat. You can also try incognito mode. In Chrome, click the three dots and select New Incognito Window. Open Gemini in the private window and sign in if necessary. Then try sending a prompt. If Gemini works normally in incognito mode, a browser extension or stored browser data could be causing the problem. Next, check your browser extensions. Click the three dots, select Extensions, and choose Manage Extensions. Temporarily disable extensions that you don't need, especially extensions that modify web pages, privacy settings, or network connections. Then reload Gemini and test it again. Finally, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version and check that your internet connection is stable. If error 1076 continues after trying all these steps, the problem may be temporary or related to Gemini services. In that case, wait a while and try again later. And that's it. Those are the steps you can try to fix the Something Went Wrong error 1076 on Gemini. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.